Were you talking to Marissa or Herman? Marissa, come here. You have to stay here. Good job. Good girl. What are you doing? Oh.
That's definitely not making the cut.
Why do you think there's a cut?
Because it's not about the garden.
I'm introducing you as a character.
Hi, I'm Daryl. This is my introduction as a character.
Good job. Bye.